guys, so this video is about the Nutritive line from Kérastase. This line focuses on the nourishment of the hair. So for someone with slightly dry to severely dry hair, this is the line to go with, and the whole line is color safe, just like all Kérastase products. They have 3 different shampoos in this line. The first one is Bane Satin number 1, and this is for someone with even normal to slightly dry hair. The second shampoo is Bane Satin number 2, easy to remember. This is for someone with dry hair. And then the last shampoo is Bane Magistral, and this is for someone with severely dried out hair who needs that extra nourishment and moisture. They do have 2 rinse out conditioners. The first one is Light Vital, and this is the rinse out conditioner you pair with Bane Satin number 1 or 2. Again, normal to slightly dry. And then the second conditioner is Fondant Magistral for someone who needs extra moisture, and this is something you would pair with Bane Magistral. They do have 2 leave-in products in this line. The first one is a heat protectant, and it's called Nectar Thermic, one of Kérastase's best sellers for sure. This is a polishing, nourishing milk, so this is something you would put in your hair before you blow dry or air dry, and it goes on towel dried hair. The second leave-in product is called Cream Magistral, and this is for someone definitely with thicker hair, severely dried out. This is like a balm for your hair. You can use it on dry or towel dried hair, does not matter. And then lastly, they do have 3 masks in the Nutritive line, and the first 2 are both called Mask Intense. The only difference between the 2 masks is that one is for fine hair and one is for thick hair, and you can tell the difference on the bottom of the box here. So as we know, someone could have really fine hair but still needs that moisture, and then someone could have really thick hair and is looking for nourishment and moisture as well. So that's the difference between the 2. They look almost exactly alike. And then the third mask is that most nourishing mask of all, Mask Magistral. So the mask you would use as a once-a-week treatment. Leave it in your hair while you're in the shower for about 5 minutes, rinse it out, and you are good to go. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.